Hi, this is Shirish Kulkarni, founder and CEO of Stroth Consultech, which is a business consulting company focusing on small and medium businesses to help them grow. And with this new concept called as Hatke, we're talking to various eminent personalities, business owners, thought leaders, people who are thinking in a different way or a Hatke way, to look at the situation in a different way, and making sure that they not only motivate themselves but keep others motivated who are coming in touch with them. So we have a great privilege to have Dr. Jayashree Fadnavis with us, who is driving this design learning systems for last more than 15 years and dabbling into this topic for more than a decade, couple of decades. So thanks, Dr. Jayashree ji, to be with us. It's an honor.
Yes, I must thank you, Shirishji, for making me a part of Stroth. And I'm really happy, even in this era of the pandemic, you're synergizing this transformation. I think every interview is going to synergize all these transformations. So thank you for making me a part of this Stroth.
Okay, good. Thanks for that thought. Actually, Strot in Sanskrit means origin of energy, and here we are talking about positive
Exactly.
energy here, right? So in this,
That's why
people
I
are
wanted to thank.
wonderful. In this context where people are looking at the pandemic as, full of difficulties, problems. So, doctor, how do you look at it from your perspective in the current context?
Yes, the first week, this pandemic arrived suddenly. Like nobody was prepared for it. And initially, for a week, we thought it can be just for a week or 2, 3 weeks. First lockdown, and everybody around was puzzled. What is happening? But
Mm-hmm.
then later, being my personality that utilize every moment happily. Okay, I have got a sudden holiday and I just shifted to my creativity,
Mm-hmm.
and I started realizing basically I think one should have that nature of accepting. So
Okay.
acceptance is the base of every situation to
Mm-hmm.
start dealing with it. Now once I accepted it that I'm going to be locked down in that house, and I don't know up to what time. So, oh wow, let me enjoy this, because last so many years, just getting up early morning and doing your exercise in hurry and eating something and running and catching over meetings and teachings and trainings. So suddenly it was a lovely change for me. And you won't believe, Shirishji, right? I realized that every day when I'm rushing out of my society, I never realized we had a lovely, huge gate which is locked now for everybody to come in and go out. But it
Okay.
was beautifully designed and the black and golden colors on it.
Mm-hmm.
And then while entering, we have a great, ark made of trees, and they were flowering with all the colors.
Mm-hmm.
And I realized I'm blessed in a house to stay where my the person above my floor plays a piano morning, evening. So
Wow.
nowadays I enjoy my cup of tea with piano. And we have Athashri next door. One Ajoba plays Basri early morning at 6 o'clock. And 7 o'clock, one teenager plays drum. So all these things which I was being missing, I've started living them minute by minute, knowing my house more better, enjoying cooking. And our mothers took enough efforts that we do not lack in any activity. I
Mm-hmm.
feel my generation was more lucky than what should be my daughter, or, coming ahead with daughter in laws, because we pampered them a little more. But my mother was very strict. So I again felt that yes, every skill for quality living is very important, and which I'm enjoying now. So I look at it as a wonderful time to regenerate yourself, do some introspection, and know your family better, know your family members better. Spending a time with your spouse, spending a time with your children.
Mm-hmm.
All this has been given me this opportunity. So I look at this pandemic as also a blessing to it.
Wonderful. I think a nice way to look at your own self and the surroundings, the people around, the
Right.
individuals around. That's like really finding yourself a new me, right? As we call it. Wonderful.
Absolutely.
So,
Absolutely.
are you kind of? I see you as a relaxed personality. Do you get stressed out? Do you have too many of meetings in a day or something of that sort right now?
Right now, yes, because at present I'm working with MIT Edity University as a mentor. Then I'm part of, I'm doing some webinars on Rotaract and Rotary, and I myself did because from this year we are starting a spiritualism. I'm working for School of Holistic Development for the MIT Edity
Okay.
University. So I wanted to activate the youth, by
Mhm.
realizing what a rich heritage we have already in India. Like while they were talking about globalization,
Mhm.
700 years ago, Sant Jnaneshwar has already spoken about it. And he
Oh,
speaks about Vishwachi Maze Ghara.
ah,
And if you go through every line, if you understand Dhaneshwari better, so not going directly to Dhaneshwari, I have introduced Manache Shlok to them.
oh,
And Manache Shlok with today's context, So every day, our coming plan is we
mhm.
discuss one Manacha Shlok with them and we activate their thought process. Ki, how do you think this is relevant for your today's life?
Oh my God. Okay.
So, and it is taking wonderful shape. Like I have already introduced 11 shlokas and I've got tremendous response. Now, whether the student is from engineering or medical sciences,
Uh-huh.
there are non-Maharashtrian because the beginning of what the shlokas we did was that if you are in Maharashtra, let us understand the rich heritage which makes human mind evolved and very happy. So one of my Punjabi friend's daughter,
Mhm.
Simran, she said, मम्मी ने जबरदस्ती श्लोक सीखने तो भेज दिया था पर क्या पढ़े हैं क्या सुन रहे थे उसका मतलब आज समझा. Thank you so much for this. So this evolving spiritualism, so all these activities are taking place very nicely. I think yes, this is what change we are looking into uh, for our young generation to come up. And me being peaceful and happy, I give credit to my parents because right from my great grandmother-in-law, she has taught. I think the positivity is again in our culture. Because every time you must be remembering even our parents and
Mhm.
mothers and grannies telling us की शुभ बोल वास्तुदेवता तथास्तु म्हणत असते.
क्या
So
बात है?
somewhere isn't it that self-hypnotic suggestion what they used to give you
My
that
God.
the universe is listening. Today we read about the secret, and today we read about NLP, neuro linguistic programming. But
Hmm.
I think this 0 to 7 age programming has been very. I'm blessed to get all that. I remember my great grandmother in the evening at 7 o'clock, she would gather all her grandchildren and great
Hmm.
grandchildren and she would narrate stories to us and she would say, come on, perform. Who is going to become Sita today? Who is going to be, you know, Bahinabai today? So
No,
whatever the speaker in me and anything, I don't know how much time I have, but I'm
I think
remembering a
you
lot
have.
of Zen
It's
stories
our time.
also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It is our time?
It is
Okay.
our time.
So,
मुद्दा फक्त एवढा मी म्हणेन की संध्याकाळचं निरांजन लावणं, संध्याकाळची वेळ. I think
yes,
that is
yes,
something
yes,
that you were
yes.
talking about. Mhm.
Yes, the Niranjan Lavana is such a auspicious thing to do that your whole family is around you. You know, sir, after ages at 6:30, 7 o'clock, this pandemic gave me those lovely moments again in
Wow.
life. So I again thanked it. Ki, wow, I was missing all these things. की तुळशी वृंदावनात दिवा लावणं आणि त्याचे आपण सगळे अगदी सदा सर्वदापासून सगळे श्लोक म्हणणं आणि because of evolved knowledge base and loving the languages, I realized that yes, I can explain it to my young students very well. Like then I got a phone call saying, Madam, now explain us. One of my Punjabi, one of my Marwadi student, Gupta, she said, I'm married to a good bully. So, but my mother-in-law teaches them Bhimarupi, Maharudra, Vajra, Hanuman, Maruti. तो मैम हम पढ़ते रहते पर ये क्या बोल रहे हैं हम लोग तो हम लाइक जब उन्होंने ये पूछा तब मैंने महसूस किया कि अरे ये सारी चीजें तो हम उन्हें गड़ागड़ बता सकते हैं भीमरूपी मारुद्रा वज्र हनुमान मारुति फर्स्ट वर्स इज नथिंग बट रूप ऑल द यू नो मारुतीची सर्व रूप ती and I could explain her the entire stotra. So I give thanks. I do thanks my parents, grandparents, and blessed to be in a very cultured family. And happiness, I feel again, it is the acceptance of the situation. And always one more saying we have, की जे होतं ते चांगल्यासाठीच होत असतं. तुम्ही चांगलं ते घ्या. So I was telling you about that again and again. I've been repeating this Zen story, you know, that there was one farmer, and this farmer was a little hatke, you know. He wasn't staying in that village. He was staying at the outskirts, and he had one horse. So one day he lost his horse, and all the villagers, they said, oh, we have that system. Na? If something goes wrong with somebody, we go and meet that family. So those farmers, they came and they said, oh, we are so sorry for you. You lost your only horse. So he said, it's okay. It can be good. It can be bad. This man is weird. Whatever, we have come to pay our, share his sorrows, and this man is giving us a feedback. After some days, that horse comes back with 3 more horses with him.
Wow.
And again, the villagers get to know, and they come and say, wow, so you've got 3 more horses. He said, see, I told you. It can be for good, it can be for bad. So they said, isn't it for good that you have 3 horses? So he says, you never know. It can be for good, it can be for bad.
Well,
and after some days, so the horse, kicks the farmer's son. The story doesn't end here. He kicks the farmer's son. The son breaks his legs. And again, the farmers come. He again says, you never know. It can be for good or it can be for bad. He says, abhi bachche ke pair toot gaye, abhi bhi bol raha hai. It can be for good, it can be for bad. And then ultimately, the king's men come into the little village to gather all the youth to fight in the battle. So entire youth goes away except this farmer's son because he's sitting with a broken leg. So every situation, the moral of the story, I would say, is even the pandemic, I feel we all should look at it that yes, the globalization, global village, all these things that Corona has proved that go beyond caste, creed, and culture. We all are one. Everybody will be affected and everybody will pay for it. So yes, economy is going to toss and people are losing their jobs. But everything, as I said, it can be for good, it can be for bad. So it is our responsibility to find out what is good. It is an opportunity, I feel, for every person to seek within. It is, as I said in the beginning, it is a time to introspect. What I really want from my life. And as per every person's age, it is high time to decide our priorities. That now, if I'm in the age group of 14 to teenager, what is that I want? Let the parents guide him. Let them share their experiences. So all this thing is time for self-analysis once again, and looking out. Wow, now I have to learn something new. And yes. One more thing I will add here, why you have to learn something new is, you are a human being. Human brain is made for knowledge. It is hungry 24/7. Continuously, it keeps asking you why, what, aage kya, aage kya, aage
so I think the message that I'm getting is, just to summarize it, is look within yourself, follow the traditions.
Yes. So feed the right food. Feed the right food to your brain.
The brain. look at whatever our ancestors have been following, and there is definitely a message into it. Look at how we can better our mental balance between mental health and physical health. So this Hatke concept is about H for health, A for attitude, T for technology, K for knowledge, and E for engagement. I believe H, where health is concerned, both side, mental and physical health. You talked about how to be spiritual. Attitude being positive is what you said about it. Technology, use of technology, will touch base a little bit in the ventures that you're doing, the new systems that you're bringing out in education. We will talk more. The engagement with yourself and then with the society. You could get engaged even with the entrance of your society. That's really remarkable. So maybe talking a little bit more about the technology part. More. What are the new things that you're seeing in education that are coming and you are involved in?
Yes, a very good question. For education, we are again, everybody's under tension. All those who are taking admission internationally for higher education, maybe, some universities will survive, some may not. So all those universities which are on will, in our country, what we are doing is, because we have to think of our country and our students before we think of anything else. Because if you go for Stanford and everything, they're so rich. They say they are equal, as rich as any other country. So let us think about our country. So today we have done. We are on the analysis of rethinking about the entire portion. Because the study material what we have right now, all the universities, especially the universities with whom I am connected, the faculties have been given a task. At present, they are finishing their assignments and the last results with the previous performances of students, and whatever is possible, online tests, online assignments, it has been getting concluded so that we can have results ready by the end of June or July. For that, we are using 2-3 softwares. Some of them has a problem using Zoom because it is not a production of our country. Then so we are also using this MS 365, and some of them are using ERP. So you are a tech savvy person, so you know all these applications. But we teachers, we were used to just enter the class and get connected to students and go on. So that was a wonderful thing to do. We'll be missing our students for coming 6 months, but yes, not to miss them. So we have segregated how much portion for till 2021 up to January, you can say the semester. So that portions will be divided, and hoping that after January, the students can come to the university and go back. Unfortunately, if we open the universities in August or September, we are also planning that, there will be a segment like if the school classes of 60 students, 30 will remain at home and 30 will come to the university. So 30 will do online program that day and 30 will do offline programs that day. So both the type of scheduling is on, and our education system is fantastic. We have lovely educators, we have researchers, we have good research labs. So nothing is going to be wrong. In fact, they will be more evolved. And one more thing I'll have to remind my lovely teachers, my community, is, my dear friends, we will have to be more precise, more perfect, because training being online, it is going to be recorded, and our students are going to use it, listen to it again and again, see it again and again. So whatever we present has to be very perfect, very precise. And then one more benefit, what I have realized or what I have been enjoying, because I've been training all over the world. I have students all over the world.
Mm.
And while I was training internationally, they all are connected with me through emails and phone numbers.
Wow.
You know,
Wow.
I have trainees right now. Some of them are caught hold of on their ships, you know, from shipping sector.
Wow.
They couldn't enter uh, any port because of the lockdowns.
Oh.
So they requested me that, ma'am, please send us, you know, relaxation or meditation. So I have created relaxation for them because I have been working on self hypnosis and mind programming.
Oh.
So these students are connected. So now the best time for universities, school teachers is, because of the online training, every student's email, every student's phone number is going to be with you. And that student is going to get attached to you one to one personally with a prior appointment. So I think this is a wonderful thing to be more close to your students and make them understand better than what we were previously. Initially, we used to just enter the class, teach them and come out. Very few would come up. But now, as it is online, they know that only they one to one can happen and one to
Mhm.
one they can ask. So teachers need to be, there is no one thing we all must remember: everybody has to learn new technology. Survival of the fittest, same way survival of the person who is upgrading himself or herself technologically. There is no option for technology in coming future.
Wonderful. I think that really sums it up how important technology and digital aspects are, even for education. And connect, wise you said, connect your students, that to one, to their personal, person to person, connect to somebody even sitting in the ship right now as they are locked down onto the ship. I think that's a great opening of a horizon for thinking people, beyond limits and a hatke kind of a way. I believe that
Right.
sums it up right. So, doctor, do you have any message for people who are thinking about this situation? Not so positive. Maybe that there is a little bit of blackout, and how do we start? So, do you have any message for them as from your side?
Right. The message I always used to give, and I would always keep giving, is live a quality life than a quantity life. One thing, as I said, we have to accept कि जो होना है वो कहीं पे भी होगा. If
Hmm.
you have to, you know, even if you are at home and you slip in the bathroom, you're going to hurt yourself. So not
Hmm.
necessarily that only the corona has to affect you. And
Hmm.
today, the lockdown has given us an opportunity
Hmm.
to make ourselves physically strong, mentally strong, develop the immunity within.
क्या बात है?
So you become so mentally and physically strong that
Hmm.
ठीक है, अगर corona हो भी गया, so I will survive out of it. 15 days I'll go get into a lockdown. I'll treat myself, and
Hmm.
because of my fitness, I will sail throughout it.
I'll
Because
come.
this is going to be inevitable, and whenever things are inevitable, one needs to accept and enjoy it. So I think one has to
Super.
develop this attitude कि इसमें डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. कहीं सारे पैंडेमिक आके गए हैं और हम
Correct.
अभी तो देखिए, we've got so much of opportunity. And one more thing I would like to say, again, thanks to my parents, my father, he's an international scientist.
Uh-huh.
So he developed one more attitude in me, that is, whenever you speak, whenever you think, it should be scientific and rational. And I think
Hmm.
your positivity will develop only when you start thinking scientifically and rationally.
Hmm.
Your knowledge is very, very important. Your media is, continuously corona. Everybody is got the knowledge now. So this knowledge should make you fearless. And every time, what is the different methodology I used in my trainings, sir? I feel that as a person, I have to understand and make him understand what is inferiority complex. So So do not be a victim of inferiority complex कि पता नहीं मुझे ही कोरोना होने वाला है. So no, I am the fittest. I am making myself very fit. कोई कोरोना का टेंशन नहीं है. अगर आ भी गया तो चला भी जाएगा.
Cool.
Because we have seen the rate of survivals are so huge.
It's 2.5. Yeah, I know. The death rate is only 2.5. Any other disease you take, it's more than double or 30%. So actually, it's more of a scare.
There is a very big analysis online. There is a big analysis. Flu से कितने मर रहे हैं और डेंगू से कितने मर गए. I think corona is just few points, as you very rightly mentioned it. So corona is very less. The first thing, develop your inferior handle. Even as a teacher, how do you start the teaching process? First and foremost, understand and try to work on the inferiority complex. Second thing, understand what is the difference between phobia and fear.
Okay.
There is a scientific, yes, there is a difference between stress and fear also. What is a stress and what is a fear? There are simple psychological suggestions for it. So as a teacher, you are dealing directly with the human mind. As a faculty, as any profession, trainer, teacher, or even if you are in any industry,
any business owner,
if you are a team leader, it's very important to understand your team. So you do the self-analysis, you understand the multiple intelligence of the person and treat him accordingly. You will be the best delegator. So handle the inferiority complex, check his phobias. After you check the phobias, make him understand, comprehend, and then make him realize what do you mean by personality. How does the negative and positive personality develops? What is positive personality? And then you come to positive thinking and positive personality and how it evolves. And the most important thing, as a faculty, as a teacher or team leader, it is very important that you speak positive.
Start with yourself.
Non-stop. Yes, start with yourself. That whatever happens, you say, oh, it's okay. Tomorrow you're going to do better. Right? The way we give examples, it doesn't matter. आज आपने 1000 steps चलिए, कल 2000 steps चलिए. This is a good exercise during this pandemic. Set a goal of 10,000 and every day start 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 because walking is the best exercise for your heart and your system. So fitness, all this, we have the gadgets at home. So I feel mental health and physical health with scientific and rational approach is very important.
Wonderful. Maybe to conclude, we definitely, it's coming spontaneously to me. एखाद्या मनाच्या श्लोकाचं छोटंसं विश्लेषण काही सांगता येईल का? It's if it is possible, some perspective. I'm just being impromptu here.
जगी सर्व सुखी असा कोण आहे, विचारी मना तूच शोधून पाहे. So in this entire world, my dear friend, Manache Shlok, it's just a communication within, communication to yourself, a dialogue within. So ask your mind, check every person around you and ask, is he the happiest man on earth? Will you, if you think about Bill Gates, is he the happiest man on earth? If you think about Modi ji, is he the happiest man on the earth? So you will never find anybody. So I feel, and the second, Swaye Sarvada Namra Vache Vadave. So what you can do is give the best to the world. So Namra Vache Vadave is not only Namra. It is going to be polite but assertive, whatever you want to say. So the point will not raise up again and again. So you have to make this habit to yourself and others, because hurting others is not going to give us any benefit.
Right.
Mana sajjana bhakti pante chizave, tari shri hari pavi cheto svabhave. Jani nindyate sarva sodu nidyave, jani vandyate sarva bhave karave. So jani nindyate, what have become? Corona. China has played a big game with us. जनी निंद्यते ते निंद्य होतं ते तुम्ही आता सोडून द्या.
Okay.
जनी वंद्यते सर्व भावे करावे. My great gratitude towards the doctors, the helpers.
क्या बात है.
That is the gratitude. जनी वंद्यते सर्व भावे करावे. I offer my gratitude to all of them.
Wonderful. I think that was a very high note with which we can conclude this. Thank you so much, doctor, for sparing your time and coming on the.
But and one more suggestion, sir. How long you have been on screen from morning?
Yeah, so I spend around 4 to 5 hours nowadays. It is definitely increasing, which I am worried about. But it is
Right.
something that is a must to do right now. That's the way that I'm feeling connected.
So, yeah. So for that, I have a humble suggestion to everyone that after every 1 hour, take a screen break.
True.
Stand up, get into a Tadasana position, twist your body left, right, touch the toes, and then give a nice eyes exercise. Roll them clockwise, anti-clockwise, look at the left, look at the right, look up, look down, and close them and give one progressive relaxation. If we have time, I can give you 3 minutes relaxation.
Yeah, we will definitely keep that. Doctor, it was wonderful to have you. And it is all our privilege to host you on this platform. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. Live. Yes, thank you so much for inviting me. And once again, live quality life than a quantity life. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Namaste.
बिजनेस कोई भी हो, सक्सेस की नींव हम रखते हैं।
बुलंदियों को छूने की आपके अरमानों की उम्मीद जगाती जोत है, हर सपनों का हम स्रोत है।
सही स्ट्रेटेजी, परफेक्ट डिसीजन मेकिंग और बिजनेस ग्रोथ के लिए हम आपके साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर आपकी स्वप्न पूर्ति करते हैं। स्त्रोत कंसल्टेक, सिनर्जाइजिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन।